Why do over 60% of gamers hit IsDone.dll or Unarc.dll errors during big installs? What's causing all that frustration with FitGirl Repacks? Let's break down the easy fixes in under a minute. First, make sure you've got the right Visual C++ redistributable packages for your system, both 32 and 64-bit. Next, open System Configuration and set your CPU cores to 6 or 8 under boot. Advanced options to avoid installer crashes. When running the FitGirl installer, use the option to limit RAM to 2 GB, even if you have more. Always right-click and run the installer as administrator. If the error pops up again, switch compatibility mode to Windows 7 or XP. Close all background apps, especially Task Manager or monitors. For Unarc.dll errors or corrupted archives, check your downloads or try a different source like El Amigos from ovagames.com. And don't forget, disable antivirus during install, adjust virtual memory settings, and check file permissions for all application packages. Now, go crush that install.